We have a little ammonite here which we want to cast in sterling silver. We take these two aluminium forms. They fit exactly together, and there is a hole for the casting channel. We take the ammonite into the form, and then we take the casting sand and receive, or we riddle the sand into the form. Then we take the sand in our hand, make a big hill on the form, and then we take a mallet and you hammer quite hard into the form. Then you take a knife, you cut away the sand, then you clean the place, turn around the aluminium form, and you see the little ammonite. Then we cut sand out of the form around the ammonite, so that we get approximately the half of the thickness of the ammonite. Cut it away, then we clean it with a brush. Then we lift the ammonite a little bit so we can see if there's any more sand to go, which we take away with the brush. Then we take talcum and put it on the form so the two forms can easily come away apart. The second form goes onto the first form, then we riddle and receive again the sand. We take it again in our hand, make one more time a big hill on the form, take the mallet and hammer quite hard, then cut away again the sand on the top, clean again the place, then we take apart the two forms. Now we cut the casting channel. It's like a pointed channel, and we start cutting it right in front of the ammonite, but not into the ammonite. And we press with the steel of the brush to make it smooth. Here again one more time, cutting a pointed channel. Then we clean the channel and we make it smooth with a wooden stick or the backside of the brush. Now here we have the two parts of the form. We lift the ammonite again, turn it around so that the ammonite falls out of the form, and then we draw a line into the sand, also with the handle of the brush, so we have a casting channel into the ammonite, and that we only make on one side. Now we close the form, then we take a binding wire, take it around the form to close it very properly. The end we just take underneath the other binding wire, and now we take a plier and turn it on the binding wire so it really fits together very well. Then we take the crucible. One more time, we have binding wire, put it around the form so the crucible is also fixed to the form. Now it's ready to cast. Here we have about 10 grams sterling silver. We heat it up with an open flame till it's melting. When the silver is melted, we count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With 4 we turn it, put it down on the table, and we wait 1 minute. Then we can open it, take away the binding wire, take away the crucible, and open the form. We turn it around so it falls apart, and here we see the casted ammonite with the channel, with the casting channel. Here the result. Okay, now we cut away the dark part of the sand, and the rest goes back into the riddle And here we have ready jewelry made out of ammonites.